Good morning, children. Myself Jagruti Bhatia from Dr. PVT Primary Girls School English Medium. Today we learn Unit 6, Poem 1, Hiyavatha. Hiyavatha is the main character of this poem. This poem is written by H.W. Longfellow. In this poem, Hiyavatha is a main character. He was a young red Indian boy. He lived with his old grandmother. His grandmother's name was Nokomis. Nokomis taught Hiawatha about the wonders like stars, trees, insects, birds, animals, and many other things. He lived in wigwam with his grandmother. Wigwam means a hut, a tent. He grew up to love all the wonders about nature. He loved all things in nature, and they also loved him. He learned of every bird's language, their names, and all their secrets, like how they build their nest in summer, where they hid themselves in winter. Whenever he met birds, he talked with them. Hiawatha called the birds Hiawatha's chicken. Hiawatha learnt how the beavers build their lodges. Lodges means the homes of beavers, where the squirrel hid their acorns. Acorns means of fruits. He also learned that how the reindeer run so swiftly. Swiftly means a very fast. He also learned why the rabbit was so timid. Here, timid means fearful. He also learnt the language, names, and secret of beasts. Beasts and beavers means an animal. He also talked with them whenever he met them. He called the beasts Hiawatha's brother. So, in this poem, poet described the woman loved with nature and all the things around in nature. All also loved him. We also try to love nature because if we save nature, nature save to us. So love nature, save nature. Bye bye. Thanks for watching my video. You have to like it, share it, subscribe it. Have a great day. Thank you.